Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Upcycle Puppets, or How to Create a Lion Puppet the Hard Way. Now, I've got a very interesting animal this time. I tried putting batteries in, it does not work. I tried all the different spots it could be. I want to tell you this is kind of embarrassing because of where they've placed the zipper on this guy here. As you can see, the zipper is right here. Just like that. Not very cool. But that's the way it works. So there's the little battery thing. It didn't work. So we're going to dismantle this guy and we're going to make sure that we turn him into a puppet. Okay? So let's do this. Let me get my glasses on so I can see. I think I'm going to need to get my seam ripper because we're going to open the back side here. Alright, so hold on a second. Just like that. Hopefully we don't cut the material. We're cutting some of the material. There we go. Okay. Again, these seam rippers work great as long as you get the threads. Otherwise, you're ripping into something that you don't want to rip. Okay. This is going to be a tricky one. I think these threads are halfway decent. Okay. So you do a couple, then you break the ones there. It separates a little bit more. That's how you use a seam ripper if you want to make sure that you don't damage your product here. A little bit more here, and I think we're good to go. Okay. This one's weird. Let's see here. This goes right up to the button. Okay, there's some sort of speaker in here, it feels like. Okay, so there's a speaker. Oh, this is weird. Made in Taiwan, so that could mean that it's an older device here. Let's try it again. Let's see if maybe it works this time. No. Okay. Let's try that. Okay. Maybe it was just a disconnected. No. Okay. So this unplugs there. So we are able to remove that little gadget there. We're going to reach inside. And it's almost like cotton. It's not. This must be a vintage one because I'll tell you what. It doesn't seem like it's a new fun fibery material. It's more of like a cotton material. And I'm going to take this little necklace thing off too. Somebody used a twisty tie and put this necklace on the old lion here. You know what? That's what we're going to do. Okay, so that's removed now. Now, we've got him open. Let's reach inside and remove some of this stuff. Look at this stuff. It's more like cotton. It's weird. I guess it's a fibery type thing, but it's not the usual fibers that I'm dealing with here. Okay. Reminds me of a turkey. Oh, okay. I think it's working. Oh. You're not going to believe this. I got caught by another one of these things. I'm putting the material back in, and I'm going to zip it shut because it's already a puppet. Just like that. Hello, I'm a lion. It's a lion puppet that's already a puppet. Look at that. There's a hole in the back so you can put your hand in, and that's embarrassing. Well, we made a puppet. It was already a puppet, but we made a puppet. So there he is, a lion puppet, apparently the easy way, because he's already a puppet. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate those of you who came to see us, and those of you who've been here before, thank you for coming back. Those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. Again, this is the DIY Magician, and we'll see you next time.